In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. First, open your Phantom Wallet and copy your Solana receive address. Phantom says each account has a Solana address, and on mobile you can tap Receive and copy the Solana address shown there. Next, open the Robinhood app and go to your Solana page. Start a crypto transfer and choose the option to send or withdraw SOL. Robinhood says it supports sending crypto on the Solana network, so make sure you are transferring SOL on the matching network only. Now paste your Phantom Solana address into Robinhood. Double-check the address carefully before continuing. Then enter the amount of SOL you want to send, review the details, and confirm the transfer. Robinhood's transfer guidance says using the correct network is very important when sending crypto. After that, wait for the transaction to confirm. Once the Solana network processes it, the SOL should appear in your Phantom wallet. One important reminder, only send SOL to a Solana address. Sending it to the wrong network or wrong address can cause permanent loss of funds. Robinhood and Phantom both emphasize using the matching network and correct wallet address. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.